Welcome to Natural Glow Reels. Today, we're showing you how to create a powerful overnight face mask at home that mimics the results of one of the most viral K-beauty masks, the Biodance Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. But instead of spending lots of money, we'll use natural, affordable ingredients from your kitchen that deeply hydrate, brighten, and boost collagen while you sleep. Let's get glowing. Here's what you'll need to make your DIY overnight collagen mask. 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, hydrates, cools and repairs skin overnight. Rich in vitamin C and E, it helps soothe redness and dryness. 1 teaspoon honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture into your skin, helps fade acne scars, reduce dullness, and create a glowing look. 0.1 teaspoon rice water or rice flour paste. Rice is full of amino acids and antioxidants. It's used in Asian beauty for centuries to brighten skin and encourage collagen production. 1 capsule vitamin E boosts elasticity and repairs damaged skin. Helps smooth fine lines and wrinkles naturally. 2 drops of rosehip oil contains natural vitamin A and fatty acids. Deeply nourishes and improves skin tone overnight. Step by step. Here's how to make the mask. 1 in a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel and 1 tsp honey. 2 add 1 teaspoon rice water. You can make this by soaking 2 teaspoons of rice in water for 30 minutes. Then straining the liquid. Or, if using rice flour, mix 1 teaspoon with a little warm water too. Make a smooth paste. 3 Next, add the vitamin E capsule. Just pierce it and squeeze the oil into the mix. Point for optional adds. 2 drops of rosehip oil for extra glow and hydration. 5. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Your homemade overnight mask is now ready. How to apply and use. Start with a clean, dry face. Apply a thin, even layer of the mask all over your face. Avoid the eye area. Leave it on overnight. It will absorb gradually into your skin. In the morning, rinse gently with lukewarm water and pat dry. You'll notice your skin feels softer. It's plumper and visibly more radiant. This mask is great for all skin types, especially dry, dull, aging, or sensitive skin. This mask works so well because each ingredient supports natural skin repair overnight. Aloe vera cools, hydrates, and reduces inflammation. Honey locks in moisture and gently exfoliates. Rice supports cell turnover and collagen production. Vitamin E heals and smooths fine lines. Rosehip oil restores radiance and evens out skin tone. It mimics the hydrating, plumping effect of expensive collagen sheet masks, but naturally and affordably. And there you have it. A simple, natural overnight mask recipe you can make at home, inspired by one of the internet's most loved collagen sheet masks. If you try this recipe and love the results, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more skincare tips and natural beauty content. Stay glowing and good night.